You are a mother, at the same time you bother about your child's health, proper nutrition and so on. And there must be a solution, right? Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Mady's Nutri-delish with Mama's Touch. Today's recipe is high protein veggie toast, a complete pack of carbohydrate, protein, fiber and flavors. An ideal recipe for breakfast or dinner. Once you try this recipe, trust me, you are going to make it again and again. My son loved to eat this and it's a kids demanding recipe. So without further delay, let's get started and check out the recipe. Main ingredient of this recipe is soya chunks, potatoes, cucumber, some green chilies and ginger, half of a lemon, and choosing a healthier option, I have taken whole wheat bread or brown bread. Firstly, add in potatoes and soaked soya chunks and required amount of water into a pressure cooker and cook it till one whistle. It's a quick recipe and you can make it with easily available ingredients. In the meantime, let's make a batter out of equal amount of corn flour and roasted gram flour. Some pav bhaji masala, you can use any masala of your choice. Adding water little by little, make a batter of flowing consistency. Also adding in chopped green chilies, and if you are making it for kids, use chopped capsicum instead. The batter is ready and it has thin consistency. The pressure cooker has released all its pressure. You can see everything is nicely cooked. And then using a strainer, drain off all the excess water. Now I am going to mash the potatoes. You can use a masher, but I have used a porous hand pole. And if you have time in your hand, allow it to cool down and you can easily mash it with your hands. And then adding boiled soya chunks. It is nicely cooked and are soft enough. You can easily mash it with your hand. To make it a perfect one, do not skip and watch till end. Now into a kadhai, I am adding in 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used olive oil. You can use rice bran oil or any refined oil instead. Into the hot oil, I am adding in grated ginger. Then reducing the flame to its lowest, add in turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, roughly chopped green chilies. Mix it well. And then I am adding in 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala and roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Season it with salt and sugar to taste. Now nicely mix it and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. Proper sauteing of spices gives perfect flavor to your recipe. At this point, add in mashed potatoes and soya chunks. Nicely mix it. And then I am adding in 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground garam masala, that is roasted cinnamon and cardamom powder. Then make a space at the center, add in 1/2 teaspoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Immediately stir it so that it do not get burned, which gives a nice flavor to this recipe. Lastly, garnish with tomato ketchup and my tasty and delicious protein stuffing is ready. And now spread this mixture generously on bread. This stuffing is enough for 4 servings. You can adjust all the quantities according to your requirement. Now into a kadhai or a tawa, add in 1 teaspoon of oil. Now take one stuffed bread and spread it with the batter. And then carefully place it into the kadhai upside down. Allow it to cook for 1 minute on low flame. 1 minute later, flip it and cook the other side for more 1 minute till it turns golden brown. You can see both sides are nicely cooked and it is done. Take it out of the kadhai. Similarly, I am frying in all the bread toast. My scrumptious veggie toast delight is ready to serve. You can see they look so tempting. Trust me, from children to adult, everyone would love to eat this. For best taste, serve it with some chopped cucumber and tomato ketchup. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.